My name is Patel. Today in this presentation, we are going to discuss about the air conditioners and their impact on sustainable development goals. We will also discuss about their problems and the proposed solution for it. So let's get started. Air conditioner. Air conditioners are mainly used to maintain the temperature, humidity and air purity in the indoor space. In Mumbai, more than 600,000 residents out of the total have air conditioners at their home, and this is a huge number. If these air conditioners are continuously used for a longer period of time, they may negatively impact goals of sustainable development. So let's see what are their impacts. Climate action. The refrigerant used in the air conditioning system emits poisonous greenhouse gases. These greenhouse gases trap the heat from the sunlight, causing global warming. The main cause may be due to its chlorine content. Moreover, the compressor in the system consumes a considerable amount of electricity to remove the moisture from the surrounding space. So what can we do to overcome these problems? Our team has proposed two solutions. Number one, changing the harmful refrigerant R22 to R161. R161 refrigerant is eco-friendly, having zero emission. Its global warming potential is 12, which is the least among all the other refrigerants. To reduce the energy consumption of the system, silica gel filter is used, which absorbs the moisture from the incoming air, thereby reducing the load on the compressor. So now let's analyze our proposed solution within technology lens. The conventional air conditioning system works on vapor compression cycle, in which the refrigerant carries the heat from one space to another space. Our proposed design works on the same principle. The only difference is that in our system, we have added an additional silica gel filter at the inlet of the system, which absorbs the moisture. Thus, by making these two modifications, the air conditioners can be made energy efficient and free from emissions.
Now I am talking about the business model. What is business model? Business model is a planned structure for promoting product sustainability. It is an organization approach to make a profit by defining the industry, venue, capital, and stakeholders that are expected. Now I am talking about the key matrices and timestamp. This approach works on many key matrices such as marketing, product quality, net profit, and customer satisfaction. It will help many traditional AC manufacturing companies to generate large revenue by adding desiccant material named silica gel. Timestamp. Timestamp means time required to complete the project. Without the traditional compression process, the proposed product will achieve the target temperature within a brief time. So the overall proposed design is much more cheaper than the conventional cooling system. Now the question is, where can we get the finance to run a business? Funding of this model would be done by both public as well as the private sector. As we are implementing this project in coastal region, United Nations Development Program, that is a UNDP, has allocated 55 million Canadian dollars to improve climate adaptation projects in India's climate region. Cost of this project is same as that of the conventional AC manufacturing prices. We are adding desiccant material named silica gel and its cost is 2 Canadian dollars per kg. What are the implications of the design on existing model? The newly built technology does not work significantly until and unless government policies would work in its favor. To promote the entrepreneurship, Indian government offers a subsidy plan under Stand Up India scheme. This will create more jobs and increase government as well as private sector revenue at local level and also helps to fuel the economy of the country.
In order to successfully implement our solutions, firstly, we analyze the human's needs. From this figure, it's clear that only 7% of Indian households having access to AC. Well, compared with other countries, the demand for cooling in this country is very huge. Next slide. Research shows that if we use the desiccant material in the AC system, it can reduce 18.5% of electricity. And from this figure, it also shows that the refrigerant R161 have better cooling or heating capacity compared with other refrigerants. Next slide. because the air conditioner is becoming more energy saving, so residents can actually spend less money if they use this appliance. And also, the R161 have a lower value of global warming potential, so to some extent it can slow the global warming, so we may suffer fewer natural disasters. Next slide. Because people are more willing to buy this energy-saving air conditioner, so accordingly, the manufacturers can change their product to this improved air conditioner, and also the Minister of Power could benefit from this product too, because of its energy-saving and eco-friendly feature, so they can promote their energy efficiency policy effectively.
Thank you, Yuchav. Hello everyone, my name is Arshita Akrani and I am going to explain our proposed solution through nature lens. As we see from the chart that India is facing higher cooling degree days. In Mumbai city, temperature and moisture content is higher and going to rise by 3% in future. Next, our solution impacts on human ecosystem and climate ecosystem. Desiccant material silica gel used at the inlet of the air conditioning system will reduce the cost and increase the efficiency, while the refrigerant R161 will eliminate the harmful greenhouse gases. Next, negative impacts on our ecosystem by our proposed solution is that food and textile industries cannot use desiccant material silica gel because it requires moisture content for certain chemical processes. Lithium bromide is a liquid desiccant material which is harmful to human health when it mixes with the air. Next, by analyzing technical feasibility, business viability, human disability, nature circularity of our air conditioning system, we recommend desiccant material silica gel and refrigerant R161 because several experiments were carried out on it and it showed the 50% more efficiency than before. By that, Mumbai city's people will have less electricity bills, AC manufacturer will earn profit from it, and people will enjoy better climate. Thank you for your time.